Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In order to have visitors to your website, you must publish your site on a web server. When you publish your website to a web server, you're basically putting a copy of all of the files online for others to view. A web server is a computer that stores and maintains websites and website access. Most people gain access through a web server via an ISP, or Internet Service Provider. Many ISPs provide web space storage as part of the regular monthly fee. You'll need to check with your ISP for details on whether or not web space is part of the service. If it's not, you may need to seek the services of an external web hosting provider. In order for Frontpage to function properly, the ISP or web hosting provider you use must have Frontpage Extensions installed. Frontpage Extensions are the programs or scripts that make various page aspects and components function properly in a web browser. Many features of the program will not work when published to a server that does not support Frontpage Extensions. Though it's quite common for ISPs and web hosting providers to offer these extensions, there are still some that do not. If yours does not support them, you should consider finding a new ISP or web hosting provider. Once you're ready to publish to the Internet, you'll need to have the website open that you want to publish, and you'll need to make sure you're connected to the Internet. Then, click File in the menu bar, and click Publish Web. In the Publish Destination dialog box, you'll need to enter the web address of where it is your website will be located. This generally starts with http:// or ftp://. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol and is just another way of uploading and downloading files to and from a web server. Once you've entered the URL, click OK. A dialog box asking for your username and password may appear, into which you must enter the username and password that you were given by your ISP. Once you've entered these, click OK. You may also see a dialog box that notifies you that directory or folder you have entered does not yet exist, and asks you if you'd like Frontpage to create it for you. In this case, if you've entered the directory or folder name correctly, you'll need to click Yes to continue with the publishing process. Once you're done with this, you'll see the Publish Web dialog box. Here, you'll see a listing of all of the folders and files that will be uploaded to the directory you entered. You can click the Options button in the lower left corner to select some additional options for your publishing. If you're limited in the amount of bandwidth that you are allowed each month, in the Publish section, you can select to publish changed pages only. That way, anything that has not been changed will not be re-uploaded and will not waste any of your bandwidth. Then, in the Changes section, you can determine how a file is deemed changed. If you'd like to log any of the changes that occur during the publish, select the Log Changes During Publish checkbox. When you're done here, click OK. When you're ready to publish the site, click the Publish button. A dialog box will appear that shows you the files and folders that are being published. When it's finished, you'll see a dialog box that says the site has been published successfully. Simply click Done here.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.